If you're over 60, it's time to think about your health and well-being in a different way. Many men at this stage still have habits that, without realizing it, may be compromising their quality of life. Few people know, for example, that frequent masturbation can drain your energy, disrupt your sleep, and even distance you from those you love. This is just one of the 7 mistakes that can impact your healthy maturity today. I'm going to share tips that truly make a difference for aging with more balance and vitality before continuing. Take a moment to check if you're already subscribed to the channel. This way, you stay updated on all our videos about health and sexual education. Click the like button as it helps us reach more people. Write 1 in the comments if you found the topic interesting, or 0 if it wasn't to your liking. This way, we can improve our content for you. Tip number 1, over the years, it's natural to feel a greater desire for companionship and new connections, especially when daily routines become more solitary. Longtime friends may have drifted away for various reasons. While family members are occupied with their own responsibilities and commitments, this can make us feel more open and receptive to meeting new people, and there's nothing wrong with that. The desire for good conversation for someone who listens and understands is essential at any stage of life. However, caution is needed. Not everyone who approaches you has genuine intentions. Unfortunately, some may see this openness as an opportunity to take advantage. It's common for them to appear with charming words, promises of friendship or help. But behind kind words, they may be seeking something else. Financial benefit or emotional control. Often their approach is subtle, and before we realize it, we may find ourselves involved in situations that put us at emotional or financial risk. To protect yourself, develop a keen and critical eye. This doesn't mean being suspicious of everyone, but staying alert to people's behavior. Observe if there are sudden changes in how they treat you, if they show genuine interest, or if their actions don't match their words. Learn to listen to your intuition. If something doesn't feel right, trust that feeling and allow yourself to say no when necessary. This ability is a powerful way to safeguard your peace of mind. Additionally, for those who want to maintain a fulfilling love life, I recommend the digital book, Rediscovering Intimacy: Healthy Sexuality After 60. It offers practical guidance to strengthen relationships, tackling the emotional and physical challenges of mature life, with tips and strategies to rekindle passion and connection. This material is a valuable resource for transforming your romantic and emotional life. Don't miss the opportunity. Get yours by clicking on the first pin. Comment while it's still available. Tip number 2, leave the past where it belongs behind you. As time passes, it's common to reminisce about special moments, important choices, and even those mistakes we wish we could fix. These memories can bring joy, but they can also awaken feelings of regret or sadness, sometimes without realizing it. We end up stuck in these memories as if they were chains holding us back. But remember, being stuck in the past is like carrying a heavy suitcase that slows our steps. The past cannot be changed, and life is always moving forward. If you cling too much to what's already gone, you end up missing what's happening now. It's like watching an old movie on repeat while the new one is playing. Right before your eyes, free yourself from this weight and let memories stay in their place. Use the present to live your best today. Instead of thinking about what could have been, different focus on what you can achieve from now on. Every day brings new opportunities, whether it's learning something new, making friends, or returning to an activity you've always enjoyed. The present moment is where everything happens. The past has already served its purpose, and the future is yet to come. But it's the now that gives you the chance to make choices and enjoy each moment. Tip number 3, take care of your mind and heart, not just your body when we talk about health. It's common to immediately think of exercise, diet, and doctor visits. All of this is essential, of course. But it's easy to forget that our mental and emotional health needs as much care as our physical health. Especially as the years go by, as we age, many things change. Retirement can reshape routines, and in some cases, it can leave a sense of emptiness, as if something important has been left behind. It's also common to face the loss of loved ones, and these situations can affect our emotions deeply. That's why it's important to recognize when something isn't right. Inside, feeling sadness or confusion is part of life. But holding on to these feelings only adds to the weight. If you notice you're going through a tough time, try talking to someone you trust or seek professional help. Talking about it can make a huge difference, relieving emotions and bringing more lightness to your daily life. Additionally, keeping your mind active is very helpful. Reading, learning new things, doing crosswords, or meditating are all ways to maintain balance and calm. Remember, taking care of your mental health is as important as taking care of your body, and paying attention to it can make this phase of life lighter and full of strength. Tip number 4, always keep control over your choices. As time goes by, family and friends may start giving opinions about your life. Thinking they're doing what's best for you, they may even be trying to help. But it's important to remember that in the end, your life is yours, and the decisions need to be yours. Listening to advice can be positive, especially when it comes from people who care about you. But accepting advice doesn't mean you should let others decide for you. When you allow others to make important decisions on your behalf, you risk losing something precious, your freedom of choice, even with the best intentions. No one knows your desires and needs better than you. Knowing what's good for you, what makes you feel comfortable, and what's best for your life is something only you can evaluate. That's why maintaining your autonomy is essential for living fully. Setting clear boundaries helps ensure that your decisions are respected. Don't hesitate to talk to others and explain that some decisions are personal and should be made by you. Choices like where to live, how to spend your time, and what health are to take are decisions that need to reflect your own wishes. Protecting your independence and making sure your voice is heard are actions that help keep your life under your control according to what makes sense to you. Tip number 5, take good care of your finances. Especially as the years go by, over time, our income may decrease, as often happens with retirement, while some expenses like healthcare may increase. For this reason, it's important to think about the future and organise your finances well to ensure your independence and avoid worries. Start by understanding your financial situation. Clearly look at your expenses and sources of income. Write everything down from daily expenses to potential extra costs, so you have a clear view of what you need, and what you can set aside. Preparing for unforeseen events is essential, as you never know when an emergency may arise. Another important point is to protect yourself from fraud and scams. Older adults often become targets for those looking to take advantage, so it's crucial to keep your personal information secure and avoid sharing financial details with just anyone if needed. Rely on someone you trust to help organize your finances and protect your assets. Taking care of your money today is a way of taking care of yourself, so you can live this stage of life with greater peace of mind. Having financial control means having the security to enjoy your time without worries, knowing you're prepared for whatever comes. Tip number 6, never distance yourself from others. Especially as you grow older, it's common that with age, some people end up spending more time alone. But a lack of social contact can greatly impact our well-being. Cultivating bonds with friends, family, and even making new friends is essential for a happier and healthier life. Being surrounded by those we care about makes daily life lighter and filled with good moments. Engaging in social activities is a simple way to stay involved and meet new people. Joining walking groups, attending gatherings at community centres, or even doing volunteer work are excellent opportunities to build connections. These activities bring joy, stimulate the mind, and help stave off loneliness. Technology is a wonderful ally in helping to stay connected with a phone or computer. You can talk to friends and family who are far away, participate in online groups, and make video calls, maintaining contact, even if you can't leave the house. Remember, taking care of these bonds is also taking care of yourself. Having loved ones around is good for the heart and mind, bringing a sense of lightness and preventing isolation from affecting your happiness. Tip number 7. Practice moderation when it comes to masturbation. Exploring your own body and understanding your sensations better can be positive and bring relaxation. This is normal and healthy at any stage of life. However, as we age, it's important to be mindful that this practice doesn't become excessive. Doing this every day or too frequently can end up impacting your physical and mental health when this habit is taken to excess. It can cause fatigue, disrupt sleep, and even affect your relationships. If you notice that masturbation is taking up too much of your time and even interfering with other areas of your life, it's worth taking a step back and reassessing, is this habit perhaps overshadowing important moments like being with family, meeting friends, or engaging in activities that bring you joy in other ways? The key lies in balance. Masturbation can be a healthy part of your life, but it's crucial that it doesn't interfere with your routine or drain your energy for other activities. By finding this balance, you can enjoy pleasure without it disrupting other important aspects of your life. Remember that channeling this energy into other activities can also bring more purpose and fulfillment to your daily life. These 7 tips are like a compass to guide a happy and peaceful life in maturity. They emphasize the importance of taking care of not only your body, but also your mind and heart. Always maintaining your autonomy, they remind us to value relationships with those we love, and to keep seeking new friendships. Above all, these tips show how to live with purpose, enjoying each moment without letting the weight of the past hold us back before wrapping up. Tell me in the comments which of these tips resonated with you the most. Share your experience or let me know which tip you've already put into practice. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you haven't liked the video yet, now is the time. Your like is essential to help this content reach more people, which helps the channel grow even more, and take the opportunity to share it with friends and family. It might be just what they need to hear. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive updates on new content about health and well-being in maturity. I'm so glad to have you here, and I'll see you in the next video.